Alright, what up, you guys? Honestly, a terrible day for me. Was just not seeing anything, and then I did see these longs that would have played out perfect, um, which made today a little bit worse. We would have probably kept this target because that's all we would have needed. Um, but yeah, no, honestly, just a terrible day. Um, so entered longs right here after we hit equilibrium, and then this order block right here. This was pre-market, which is why I probably shouldn't have traded. Even though pre-market trades have been setting up nice for me, probably shouldn't have traded. Got like instantly stopped out right there. That put us down 160, and then what happened was we had this fair value gap that held pretty nice. When we filled it in first, and then when we came back to fill it again, I switched my bias to bearish after this because I thought like we're gonna target these lows down here. Like I thought NQ was gonna come take these out before we swept. Before we went long, but it didn't. So then I entered shorts about right here. When we filled the middle of that fair value gap in, and I just kept it right outside because I had to not risk too much. Instantly stopped out as well. So, yep, and that's the even more brutal part. I saw these longs forming, uh, and I should have, and I couldn't take this trade because I put myself in such a bad position. I already lost so much that if I took this trade right here, this would have been just stupid for me. Wouldn't have made sense for me to take this trade with how much I've already put at risk today. So my friend's actually in this one right now. I think he has his final take profit up here though. Uh, but yeah, no. Um, Honestly, a brutal day. I'm not too happy about how I dealt with today too. Um, Tomorrow hopefully will be a better day. But I'm just gonna uh, go back test. Honestly, just hop off the charts for the rest of the day because I don't know why, but seeing a trade, this is like how I know my mind's not as strong as it needs to be. But seeing me miss out on a trade that I knew was gonna happen, that I was going to enter but didn't enter, seeing it play out nice, makes me, I don't know, it doesn't give me a good feeling. So I'm just gonna hop off for the day, and I will see you guys tomorrow.